IM6057. Please introduce yourself.
Good days, ma'am and sir. My name is Jeremy Umayon, 24 years old, and I'm happily single mother with one daughter, 7 years old. I am Christian and high school graduate. I have experience for 5 years with 6 members, 2 elderly, 2 couple, one 7 years old, and 1 year old.
Okay. Other household chores that you do.
I wash the dishes, ironing, and take care of the baby.
Okay. And you're also taking care of pets, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of pets do you take care?
Like dog and cat.
How many cats?
3 cats.
How many dogs?
2 dogs.
2 dogs. Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
So you have an idea. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Maybe she had a temperature or hungry or the diaper is full.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, and the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call the mother to pay attention
Okay.
if 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 the baby is still crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To make a better future and buy own house.
Okay, so you want to buy own house. Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer want me to stay, I want.
So it is okay to extend your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
Like watching YouTube, sir. And
Okay, watching YouTube. And also you could buy some cookbooks or read some cookbooks. And if you also have an employer in Hong Kong, you could also ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepare food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes, sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to bed, to the bathroom.
Yes, sir.
It is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I do my best if you want. If you hire me, I give my best to be a better employee.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you also promise to take good care of their children as your own? Can you
Yes.
promise?
Yes,
And
sir, I
also, can you
promise.
promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of your employers in their house?
Yes, sir, I will.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Jeremy.
Thank you very much po, sir, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.